Hi everybody, in this video I am going to discuss Tic-Tac-Toe project using Python programming. In this video I am going to discuss every instructions, every steps to design Tic-Tac-Toe game. Tic-Tac-Toe is one of the famous game. In this video I am going to design two-player Tic-Tac-Toe game. That is one player use cross or zero, or another player use opposite sign of that cross or zero. So in this video I will design look like this. So the Tic-Tac-Toe board has 3 row and 3 column. These are the 3 row, and the board consists of 3 columns. So we have to design this GUI grid, GUI interface using 9 buttons. These are the buttons we have to design. These are the buttons. This is the button 0 row 0 column button, 0 row 1 column, 0 row 2 column, 1 row 0 column, 1 row 1 column, 1 row 2 column, and so on. 2 row 0 column, 2 row 1 column, 2 row 2 column. There is a random function which will select either cross or zero. Suppose in the first there is a chance of cross. So when you press cross, this button is disabled. At a time only one operation can be applied to any position of this graphical interface. So when we choose this one, and computer will automatically say it is next term is 0. You can choose anywhere. Suppose I am selecting here. Now the next player suppose select this one, and the next one is suppose selecting 0 here, and the opponent playing cross, and next one is selecting 0 here, and the winner is cross. Then X wins. It will display the message X is the winner. So in this way Tic-Tac-Toe game will be designed. There are 9 possibilities. In this design, there are the following winning possibilities. If the row 0, row 1, row 0, row 0, row 1. In this design, there are the following winning possibilities. When 0 row 0 column, 0 row 1 column, 0 row 2 column, all are same. When 1 row 0 column, 1 row 1 column, 1 row 2 column, all are same. 2 row 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, all are same. Then there is a possibility of winning. This is the row wise winning. And column wise winning when all crosses, all zeros are all crosses same. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, or 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. These are the column wise winning possibilities. So 3 row wise winning, 3 column wise. And there are 2 winning possibilities, that is diagonal wise. That is 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 1. These are the diagonal possibilities of winning a game. Another one is 0, 2, 1, 1, and 2, 0. So these are the next diagonal possibility of winning. So these are the 8 possibilities of winning the game. We have to check every time when you press a button to the grid, and it will or check whether these are the possibilities are executed or not. And in case of draw, if all buttons are disabled but there are no outcome, that is no row wise, no column wise, no diagonal wise same, then there is a possibility of draw on the match. So this is the design through which you can and this is the technique through which you can implement this Tic-Tac-Toe project. Let us consider the every steps and follow the Tic-Tac-Toe project. Let's do it. Let us discuss the code for Tic-Tac-Toe. First of all, go to the Python IDE, then create a new file and write the program. First of all, we need to import the Tic-Tac-Inter package from Tic-Tac-Inter import stir. Star mean all. From Tic-Tac-Toe import message box. Now go to the main program. That is the main area of the Tic-Tac-Toe. We need to create the window. First of all, we need to define the window. Suppose the variable is for holding the window is R. R equal to TK. It create the window. It is used to define the window. Then R dot title. It is used to create the title of the window. That is here, suppose Tic-Tac-Toe game. Tic-Tac-Toe game. This is the title of the window. Now we need to create the button. We need to create the button. So before going to create the button, we need to consider an array B, this list here. We need to create the list, and this is initially the list is blank. One row, next another one, and third one. Now list is created, and initially list is blank. There are no element within the list. Now we need to create the button 3 row and 3 column, so that we can click those button to get the either cross or 0. For I in range 3. 3 mean 0 to 0, 1, 2. There are 3 row. This I indicate the number of row. And for J in range 3. B I dot append list it added. The elements are added with the values. Here there is a button function. So we need to create a button button, and within the button we need to provide the root. Here R. B I J bij dot config command equal to lambda. Lambda is a anonymous function, a function without any name. Row equal to, these are the parameters, row equal to I, and column equal to J colon click row comma column. There is a click function. When you click the button, it will be activated. Now B I J dot grid we need to show the button row equal to I column equal to J. Now this is the end of the button creation. Now we need to define the function for the button. We need to define the function definition here. Def button and name of the parameter is suppose f. This is the function to define the button. B equal to button. This is the inbuilt method. And f is the parameter. Here button with the space with the x-axis pad x equal to 1 pixel. Background bg is the background parameter. Background equal to suppose blue. You can create any color, blue, green, whatever. Suppose I consider it as blue. Width of the button equal to suppose 3. Text equal to initially empty, and you can consider the font also. Font equal to suppose we can create any font. Suppose we considering here Arial. We can also consider New Times Roman or any kind of font. Suppose this is 50 and bold. And we need to display this as a 3D button. So use the keyword relief. There are many options of relief here. Suppose this one is Shanken. PD equal to 1 border. BD equal to suppose 10. And these are the parameters. Now it will return the button. In this moment, let us run the program. Run module. Save it. Suppose I am saving it in the desktop C drive. I'm saving it the C drive, suppose, and create the folder as Tic-Tac-Toe. Tic-Tac-Toe, and then open it. Name is suppose Tic-Tac-Toe, TTT. Save it. Run the program to say invalid syntax. So we need to give a space lambda. Yes, spelling is lambda. Run the module again. Yes, button is created. There is no attribute title, title. Title, run the program. You can check relief, unknown option relief is showing that unknown option relief. RE spelling is RELIEF. LIEF. There is a spelling mistake. LIEF. Now run it again. Yes. See this. These are the three windows. Now we need to create the functions. This is the structure of the tic-tac-toe. So this is the structure. It is showing light blue. You can give it any color, suppose light blue or light green. Suppose light green. Save it. Yes. You can choose any color, light blue, light green, or anything. So these are the structure. Let us consider the structure. This is the structure. This is used to create the button, and grid are used to show the display for each button. It is used to show the. It is used to display. Grid is used to display the button in a row or column wise, and this is the button function through which the button is created. This is like a 3D view. So relief is used to show the 3D view, and there is space in between these two buttons, and there is a space in between buttons. So this is the structure of tic-tac-toe game is created. Now we need to activate all other functions like click, or we need to check whether the winner are there. So we need to create another functions. Before I'm going to create the functions, suppose I'm creating a random function through which it will generate cross or O, cross or 0. So import random as, suppose as random as array. Though array random package is imported as array, suppose, or operator, suppose op equal to, can give it any name, array dot choice. Within the choice function, the list is created, that is o or cross. These are the two choices. Random will select among these two choices to close the choice function. Now, suppose we are considering two colors, one for 0 O and another for cross. So we need to provide a dictionary. Suppose color equal to name of the dictionary is color equal to, I am choosing this is the dictionary. O meaning when we select O, that means it belongs to, suppose, color red. You can choose any other color also, red. And this is the dictionary. O mean red. And when we consider X mean, suppose we are considering blue. And these are the choices, and this is the dictionary, and variable of the dictionary's name of the dictionary is color. Now suppose when we click the button, then it will display the label. Suppose there is a label equal to label, this is the method label, and within the label the text is according to array, text is according to op operator, text is equal to op plus apostrophe double quote apostrophe s mean x chance or y chance, x chance, and consider the font of the label equal to suppose Arial. You can choose any other fonts also. Arial, we can choose you can choose any other font also. Suppose I am considering Arial and font size is 20 and bold. This is the font of the label. And the grid, showing the grid, we need to show the grid label dot grid. Suppose we are considering row 0, row 1, row 2, and next one is row 3. Suppose this is the row 3, and column 0. We can merge the column. We can merge the column also. Column 0, and the span of the column is suppose 3. This is the merging of column. Column span equal to 3. So this is the level descriptions. Level, it is the level description as well as showing the level in the grid. And finally, we need to create the main loop, art dot main loop. This is the function. Now, when we here this lambda function, it will activate the click button. That is, when you click the button, it will call the click function. So we need to create the click function. We need to create the click function. Def click. Click is a user-defined function. It has two parameters, row and column. Row, comma, column. B row and column. B row column config dot config text equal to, here text is according to this op operator. Text is according to op. It will select either cross or 0. State is initially disabled. When you click this state is disabled, when you click the button, it will move to the disabled state, so that we cannot click it further. Disabled, comma, display foreground, equal to color. Color is selected from the dictionary, color dictionary, and it will select OP, color OP. When you click the button, it will check the result. So you need to define check function here. So let us call the check for result. Check for result. You can give it any name. I am giving it check for result without any parameter. Then it will change the label. That is the operator. It will change the operator. Its name is change OP, because it will change the cross to 0 or 0 to cross. Change OP, I mean operator. And label also change. Label dot config text equal to OP plus mean concatenation, double quote, then within single quote, S chance, and configuration is done. Now we need to call the check for result function. Now we need to call the check for result function. So write the check for result function here. Def check for result. Check for result. Before I am writing the check for result function, we need to check for victory or draw. Meaning during this function, we'll check whether X on or 0 on. So we need to check for victory or draw. Check for winner. For winner is possible in different way. Suppose for row wise winner, I in range range 3, range 3, 0, 1, 2. 0 row, 1 row, and 2 row. Now we need to check different possibilities of winner. If B of I mean when initial 0, 0 row, 0 column, that is 0, and the text within the button text equal to B I mean equal to suppose 0, then the next column 1, and the text equal to B I mean 0 row, suppose 0 I can be 0 1 2. So first row when I equal to 0, it will check the all the first button, second button, third button. I mean first row is or all equal or not, and then when I equal to 1, it will check the second row, third row. If all are equal, then there is a possibility of winning. I 2 third column, and the text equal to OP. OP mean operator here, or column wise. This is the row wise, and you can check it column wise, or you can check it as column wise. I copied it, copies all the things, copies all these instructions, put it here, paste this. Now this is not column wise. This we need to check is column wise, so it will be 0 and it should be 1. It is 1 and it will be I, and there is 2. First is row wise check, and then this is column wise check. This is I equal to OP. So we need to check the row wise same text or column wise same text. Equal to OP. So first row wise or column wise mean if row wise cross are same, all are row wise cross or row wise 0, either or all are column wise 0 or column wise cross. Then it will display. Message box dot show info. Congratulations. Congratulations. For whose winners? Congratulations, comma, single quote, plus OP plus double quote has won. So either cross or 0 can be the winner. And then we need to reset the board. We need to define the reset function or restart function. Suppose restart. So we need to create another function as restart for the next game. Now we need to check diagonal case also. So we need to check whether diagonally there is any winner or not. If there are two possibilities, if B 0 0 0 0 text B 0 0 text equal to B 1 1 text equal to B 2 2 0 0 1 1. We need to check it diagonally. Text equal to OP or B of this is the first diagonal and this is the next diagonal. B of 0 2 text equal to B of 0 2 text equal to B of 1 1 1 1 B of 1 1 B of 1 1 text equal to B of 2 0 2 0 text equal to OP in operator.
Then again we need to display the message box, this message box. Paste it and restart the next step of gaming, the next level of gaming. So these are the functions through which we can check whether diagonally win or not. It's a possibility of draw the match, so we need to check it also. Else if for the drawer, the tic-tac-toe, we need to check draw mean there is no winner. If 0-0 state, here we need to check the state, all are same or not. Here instead of stakes we need to check the state. Equal to b of 0-1 state equal to b of 0 to state equal to b of 1-1. First of all 0-0-0-1-0-2 mean first row 0-1-0-2 and b of 0-2 equal to this is double quote, we need to write this double quote. Yes. Now first 0-0-0-1-0-2 first row, and we need to check the next row b of 1-0-1-0 state equal to b of 1-1 b of 1-1 state equal to b of 1-2 state equal to 1 state. This is the second row, and we need to check his third row equal to b of 2-0 b of 2-0 state equal to b of 2-1 state, and finally equal to b of 2-2 state equal to disable. This is in capital letter, disable. When all are disabled, that means the game is drawn, mean tied. That is message box dot show info, message box message sorry message box message box dot show info tied. Game to game is tied or draw. Game is tied or draw. Then restart this and then call the restart function. Restart for the next game, and this is the check for result function. Now we need to define the restart as well as this one. There is a change OP, restart and change OP. First of all, create the change OP. Write the change OP function def change OP. OP mean operator. Change OP function. This. Now write the change OP function. This function is used to change the operand for the next player. It will change the operand. That is when one gamer is considered as cross, then next gamer will choose 0 and next cross and so on. We need to consider a variable here, global. Why it is global? Global is a keyword. It is used to display the operator or variable. It is specify. We need to use the global keyword. It will specify that the variable I am using here is global throughout the program. Change OP. Now change OP for I in, we need to check the list, that is equal to 0 or O, that is equal to O or cross. It will check either 0 or cross. If not I equal to OP, then A equal to I and break. So it will change the operator, that is cross to 0 or 0 to cross. Now we need to define the restart function. Def restart that is, again we need to consider the global OP for I in range 3, 3 row and 3 column, for J in range 3, and we need to consider the B array, B list, that is IJ, and text is, restart mean text is back to empty, equal to, we need to change it to empty for the next game, and change the state I, J and state to back to normal. Previously it was disabled, so we need to convert it back to normal. State is normal, and we need to choose either 0 or cross. It will randomly activate it. That is OP equal to, OP mean operator here, variable name of the variable is OP equal to array dot choice. It will choose the next either it will choose either 0 or cross. choice is a function. We need to define the function. First parenthesis. Now we need to define the function. First bracket. And so all functions are defined here. Now we need to check this program again. First of all, we have to define these packages, the random functions, random packages. We need to define the window, and title is given here, title, and then B is the list is created, 3D list. All are list added here, and when you click the function button, then you click will be activated. Click will display the all other remaining function. It will check the result, it change the operand, and the text level configuration text will change automatically. So this is the function here. Check for result will check whether the match cross owner is the owner or O is the owner. When row wise elements all are cross are okay, or all row wise same. So first row all cross, second row all cross, third row all cross, or first column all are same, second column all are same, then third column are all same, then they are the winner. Then we need to check diagonally, or first diagonal and second diagonal, and the LC will check whether it is draw or not. So now the code is over. We need to run the program. Run module and check for any error. It is okay. No, there are some errors. We have to check whether display foreground. Unknown option display. Oh, it will be disabled by foreground. It will be disabled foreground. Disable foreground color equal to okay. And run again. And now 2. So there are errors. Check it for the errors. We need to check the error. Oh, there is a unknown variable that is in it be OP. Run the program again. Now cross O, cross O, cross O, cross draw. And there are some errors. Unknown mean text. I want to check it. Here, text need to be double quote. And just within the double quote. Run the program again. Suppose cross O, cross O, cross O, cross O, cross. X has own. Yes. X has own. This means the game is really okay. Run again. Suppose I am choosing cross 0, cross 0, cross 0. X again on. I need to change the message. Suppose I need to change congratulation. Is the winner. Is the winner. Change the message. Is the winner. Is the winner. And run it again. It's okay. Cross suppose 0 and cross 0, cross 0, cross 0, and last. So this is the concept of tic-tac-toe game. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.